Zgodba hiše, s katero začenjamo, je tako polna zasukov in presenečenj kot le malo katera. Zavzetost prvotnega lastnika, ki je hišo postavil s svojimi rokami in jo tragično izgubil, se lahko primerja z zavzetostjo novih, zdajšnjih lastnikov, ki so ji temeljito spremenili podobo in vsebino. Danes hiša tako sije v novem sijaju. Smo na Krasu in tukaj je zgodba o novi, posrečeni prenovi. Hiša je imela nekdaj ponosno zgodovino. Nato jo je lastnica dobila v precej klavrnem stanju. Zato je strokovnjakinja pošteno zavihala rokave. Hiša v Ivanjem gradu na Krasu stoji na mestu, kjer je prva kamnita hiška stala že pred vsaj 300 leti. Kmalu po koncu druge svetovne vojne je ta hiška pogorela. Obnove sta se lotila lastnika, oče Franc in sin Jože Lozej v začetku 50. let prejšnjega stoletja. Večjo hišo sta zgradila iz kamenja, ki ga je iz gozda pripeljal njun vol. Kamenje pa je ročno obdelal oče Franc. Hiša je bila nekaj posebnega, tako kot njena lastnika. Ogenj jo je spet uničil okoli leta 2000. Znova so jo za silo obnovili, potem pa je hiša menjavala lastnike, dokler je pred leti ni kupil par iz Anglije, Justin Young in Jade Van Baren. Objekt sta pred kratkim temeljito prenovila in zdaj je to njun slovenski dom.
We definitely wanted to insulate it and kind of bring it up to, code as far as insulation and heating and all of those necessities. So we did lose quite a bit of the stonework because we've insulated from the inside, not the outside, obviously.
Okay.
So we were able to keep some sections of the stone of the walls where we've highlighted it now with lights and sectionals. But so that was a must. And then we wanted to keep as much as the original character as we could from the house. So the stairs were actually there when we got here. So they needed some fixing. We needed to put a banister in, but we were able to keep those. And as well as there's 3 floors when you come into the house, the old cast stone floors. And we were able to salvage those. So I think it was really important for us when we were renovating it that the house, that all the new material we put in kind of felt like it was part of the original house. I didn't want to have, any kind of modern entities in this space. Like, I just felt like I really wanted to do kind of more of a historical renovation as much as possible. So it was very difficult just to find the right bathroom tiles, fixtures for the bathroom, all of this kind of vintage, that would feel authentic. So,
But then again, that's your style.
It is my style. It is my style. And this is our home. So we also had like a lot of family heirlooms that we wanted to, put into the house and save. So obviously we've brought all those from England and kind of have put them into the house now. My husband was obsessed with getting this cast stone fireplace. And It was interesting because it took so many men to bring it up. And in the end, it was too heavy for the floor.
So what
so
did
they
you do?
had to take it all back down again, and then we took it back to the masonry, and they had to hollow all of that out from the inside.
Okay, so it's hollow inside.
Yeah, because it was just too heavy for
All
this,
right.
because as you know, we're on the 2nd floor, so.
Okay, but it looks great.
Thanks.
Hiša ima več etaž, namenjenih različni rabi.
The floor plan I arranged to have the bedrooms on the 1st floor, or ground floor as I would call it. And we have 4 bedrooms there. And then we have 2 bathrooms and a WC on that level as well. And then up here we have the living space and then the kitchen and dining.
So let's go to the kitchen and to the diner.
I have a very specific kind of kitchen that I like to usually design, but I didn't feel like that was the right setting for this. So I went a bit out of my comfort zone, and I really wanted to have a craftsman kitchen. And I definitely have a carpenter that I work with who does great work. And it's solid wood, and it's tongue and groove joinery. And I wanted it to kind of feel not modern, but like a timeless, craftsman style kitchen.
I really love the wine cellar.
So does my husband.
You wanted to keep it in original
Yeah, as
shape.
rustic as, I mean, it's, you know, the temperature down there is perfect. And, you know, the stone is still kind of, you know, we still can get moisture from the stone, but we have a dehumidifier down there. Yeah, we kept it as much as the original and just using kind of like some lights to highlight the features down there. But it's a real man cave for sure.
And you used many oak wood, as I can see.
Yeah, we did a lot of oak. I love oak. But it's also a really hard wood, so nice hard-wearing floors, you know. We wanted it to kind of feel a bit opulent, and, you know, we used these tiled floors from Italy that just add a lot of character to the space.
Ena od prvin značilnih zaslog notranje opremljevalke so tudi štukature.
I love the finishings of having some moldings, and I think that they do bring these period pieces back. And I know it's not necessarily traditional in this area, but I think especially when we were trying to make the bedrooms on the lower level and not make it feel like, you know, cave-like or too dark, or, you know, I think you have to add these kind of fixtures and fittings around there to kind of bring your eye up and to add a little luxury to the space.
Življenje v tej lepo prenovljeni hiši pa ni udobno le znotraj. Obdajajo urejen vrt z bazenom. V toplih dneh domači uživajo na 2 terasah, od katerih zgornja ponuja čudovit razgled.
Originally, we didn't have access because it was just kind of where the doors are, there was just wall there. So you never, I mean, unless we obviously had a ladder and we climbed up there and saw its potential. But, you know, bringing the 2 doors in there and just having that terrace, it's just gorgeous. I think, you know, what's so nice about this space for us as a family is there's so many different places we go depending on what time of day, because like it's great for morning coffee, but come afternoon it's too hot on the terrace. Then we go downstairs to our terrace area and the garden, and we're by the pool, and then we come back up in the evenings, and we can barbecue up there and enjoy like the cooler breeze that brings.